A mysterious being discovered in Russia with no tool marks, no signs of sculpting, and pores like human skin. Some say it's a hoax. Others feel an unsettling energy from it. What if it's something else? Tonight we investigate the fallen angel. Was it real? And why was it covered up?
The person was just frozen. Given this was dug up from underground and allegedly there for thousands of years, this would not be possible otherwise. And those standing next to the angel even left haunting words saying they could feel that it was evil and there was energy radiating off of it.
Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome back to Allegedly Strange Tales. It's Freaky Friday. Here we explore the strange, the unexplained, and the stories that they don't want you to know. Today we're diving into the case of the fallen angel found in Russia. Was it a petrified being, an ancient relic, or something more sinister? And why do people feel some sort of evil energy emitting from it? If you love deep dives into the unknown, hit that like and subscribe and the notification bell. For this reading, I'm using the Starman Tarot, and we are going to ask some questions. Whoa, the Seven of Wands in reverse came out, and oh, the devil. They said there's that people feel evil energy from it. Oh, goodness. Let's just see. So, what I want to know, what is the true nature of this fallen angel? Is it just a statue? There are stories that say the miners were bored and they made this statue, and people are calling it a hoax. But a lot of times when people call it a hoax, it's not a hoax. So we are going to ask about that too. So we're going to ask, what is the true nature, of the angel? Because it looked quite sinister to me, and people say that it's got pores like humans. I guess if they want to look like a human, they have to, look like us, so we would have pores, and it's just crazy. What is the true nature of the fallen angel? And we want to know if it was ever alive as well. Queen of Swords in reverse. Oh, that's not a good energy, that's for sure. Okay. Are you ready? So, let's just pick out some cards here. And we're going to see what is the true nature of the fallen angel. And we're going to ask if it ever was alive. So, okay. So, what is the true nature of the fallen angel, please? What is the true nature of the fallen angel? That is a Two of Swords in reverse. And usually that's like a decision we have to make. But in reverse, it's a difficult decision that we don't want to make. And I ask, what is the true nature of the fallen angel? Let me see if we can get any insight, more insight from this. Uh, wow. Okay. So if you can see, it's got like that person and it's splitting. See that person is splitting and it's got another being inside it, or it's like that's the um that's the skeleton and all that's on the inside. Whoa, that's crazy. And there's also like a wolf here. I think that I mean, there. Look at that in the sky, like claw marks and stuff. Did it come out of the sky? Raining. What else can I see in here? And it's like stairway to heaven, so whoa. I mean, all of this is like would pertain to an angel, wouldn't it? So, was it ever alive? Okay, I'm kind of scared to turn this one over. So, was that angel ever alive? Was the statue ever alive? Now, this is the Five of Cups in reverse. And upright, it would be a disappointment and all that. But I want to show you something because this looks like it's it's a portal. Can you see that? It looks like it's a portal. And in reverse, all of the cups will be spilling out. And there's another hand coming through that as well. And it looks like, so upside down, it looks like out of the sky. Can you see that? It looks like out of the sky. Now, if I would like, usually I say up for yes and down for no. But the Five of Cups is not a really positive card anyway. And I would say that that would be a no if it was in reverse. But was it ever alive? I'm going to turn over the next one, but I'm going to say because it's a negative card and it's a negative of a negative, and so I would say that would be a yes. And that hand coming out of the sky there, it just makes me, I mean, because that is going towards, but then again, look at that. So this is in reverse, the Two of Swords, which is quite not a very positive card either. But so it's in reverse, and the stairs would be going down to, underground or uh that's what I'm thinking. Instead of going up, they go down because it's reversed. So what kind of energy does that angel hold? What kind of energy does the angel hold? Whoa. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. And I always say that the Pentacle, this is just me. I don't know if anybody else thinks this, but I always think that uprights, the Pentacles are protection, and in reverse, it's negative, and it would be kind of like devil energy. And that's what, and the ace is a real big um card anyway. It's like a yes, but I want you to see this too. Some of these pictures aren't very nice. That's a person. Look, and then there's eggs, like maybe souls are in there. Look at there's a soul in there, and then each one kind of has a soul, looks like. Um, And that person, it looks like the energy is coming out of. So in reverse, all of that is going down into the evil energy. That's evil to me. So what kind of energy does it hold? I believe it holds evil energy. So is the government hiding the truth about it? Because this story is supposedly a hoax, and the allegedly, I'll say, and the miners allegedly made this angel, but to me that angel looked petrified. So was this angel actually petrified? Was it a petrified uh being? Is it a petrified being? The two of cups in reverse, that's usually like a contract between two people, and sometimes it would be love or something, but in reverse, I wouldn't say it was a petrified being, really. um but what, like, did somebody make it though? But it's like a broken contract in reverse, a contract that's broken. It could be also, breaking up from your relationship or something with somebody else. Um, what did I say? Oh, yeah. I was going to ask, is the government hiding the truth about it? Is the government hiding the truth about it? The Prince of Wands in reverse, and that's the Knight of Wands, which is that's not a very nice, that's a terrible energy, a terrible person. It could be like a bully. This is somebody that just comes in and wants to conquer everything. So you know, with that, and I said, is the government hiding the truth about it? I think that they probably came in and took that angel, or the there is a story that the miners, uh or the people that were around it or that found it, were missing. So that could be that as well, because the contract might have been broken by the government, with the people who found it, but they ended up missing. So is this a true story? Is this a true story? Whoa, the Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords upright. And that is like, well, that is like lies. And um that's what I'm thinking. It's thieving, but somebody could have stolen that angel. Maybe the government as well just took it. Is that what happened? Is this a hoax? Is this a hoax? Well, that's the Six of Swords in reverse. And that is going into calmer waters upright. But in reverse, you're going into choppy waters. And in reverse, I usually say, upright for yes and reversal no. So I would say I would say no. So okay, uh, let's just okay. Whoa. That's just a weird story, isn't it? Is it a is it a hoax? Is it let's just get one more clarity here. One more to clarify. Is this story about the fallen angel, is it a hoax? Is it a hoax, please? Is it a hoax? The Four of Pentacles. There is some kind of control here. Somebody is trying to like control the narrative. Hmm. You know what? We'll just have to ask the pendulum. Okay, I'm gonna use Esme. Bring my cards back over here. Let's ask a couple of questions here. So, Shelly decided to join us. So, is the fallen angel petrified? Is the fallen angel petrified? Okay, Esme, can you tell us if the fallen angel is petrified, please? It's not. No, it's not. Okay. So, was it a divine being? Was it a divine being? Did it start out as did it start out as a divine being? Sorry, let's just start it there. Okay, ready? Was it a divine being, please? Just going to that's Shelly, my cat. Was it a divine being? No. Okay. Okay. Um was it a demonic being? Was that angel a demonic being? And that's going to know. Okay. Um let's see. Is there a hidden agenda by labeling it a hoax? Let me just ask, is it a hoax? Is this a hoax, please? Is this a hoax? Well, guys, that looks like it's going to yes. Okay. So, all right. Well, that's all I have then because it looks like it's a hoax and the cards wouldn't really they were a little bit, iffy, but I just wanted to get Esme's professional opinion. So, whether it's a hoax or an ancient petrified being, the mystery continues to baffle us. So, what do you guys think? You can find this story on TikTok. There's quite a few about it. It's basically the same story, just a lot of people are talking about it. So, is this a statue or is it something out of this world? Drop your comments below and thank you so much for watching Allegedly Strange Tales. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay strange, my friends, and I will see you on the next one.